guys, welcome back to my channel. I am filming through my phone, so I'm hoping this is good because I totally forgot my camera. So I'm like, my phone it is. So anyway, I wanted to film today a Walmart beauty box video. I think it's been so long since I've done one, but I wanted to do this one in particular because I feel that I needed to review this one just because I wasn't too fond of it. Now, usually the ones I share with you guys in a film, for the most part, I like about half of it, a little bit more than half of it. But this time around, I was like, I don't know about this box. I feel like they're not getting any better. In my opinion, at least they're not. So I wanted to share this one with you guys. Really quickly, if you don't know what the Walmart Beauty subscription is, it's a quarterly subscription that you get. Usually like in the middle or almost towards the end. Like in this case, I just got my beauty box yesterday, almost towards the end of a season. But you do get it every season. And it's only $5, and you get about maybe 4 to 5 different drugstore products for you to try out that are supposed to be essential for you to be using during that season. And usually they're okay, and I really do like it because again, it's only $5 and you get to try out different drugstore products that again are really affordable that you can get at either Target or Walmart or CVS, any other drugstore that you shop at. But this time I feel like, I don't know, I wasn't really feeling the product. So I don't know if you've tried any of the products that I share with you today and you think they are like it's awesome, it's work for you, leave me a comment below and let me know. Maybe I'm like overthinking it or like exaggerating on it, I don't know. But anyway, enough rambling, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. So it's like a summary sort of, plans. I do love, I don't know, it came with the whole, I did not do that. So anyway, I do love this whole like leaf print just because I love plants. So this is really cute. So I was like, okay, let's see what the box has inside. But let me share with you guys. I don't even know if I have an actual favorite product that I liked, but let me just share with you guys. So this is the second one that I get. This is a Pantene foam conditioner, sheer volume. It's a conditioner revitalizing, and this is what it looks like. And I have one in my shower, and it's been there, and I just forget to use it just because I'm so used to gravitating over towards my own conditioner. And it's also Pantene. I love using Pantene. Their products have been working really good with my hair, so I need to try this one. It gives volume, so maybe like for the weekend when I really want to style my hair, I should be using this one. So I wasn't too fond of it just because I already have one sitting in my shower and I haven't tried it, so I don't know how good it is, but I may end up liking it. I don't know, but this was an okay to get again, but again, I need to get around to it. And usually I get products like this. They're like this size. They're all like travel size, but you actually get the product like this. In this box, I pretty much got all like almost samples, and that's why I guess I was like, really? So the first one is this Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask, and it says it's made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. And this is what it looks like, and that's what's the packaging supposed to look like the original. So it is a mask for the daytime. It says here that it soothes and hydrates your skin daily, and then for the night it nourishes and it nurtures skin night after night. And you leave it on for 10 minutes and it intensely nourishes and reduces the skin tightness. That's what the mask does. So again, like the little packaging, I'm not too fond of these because I feel like I open them and then I'm like likely, I don't know, I'm just kind of picky with like stuff like this. But I guess it's okay to try. But again, at least maybe like a little something like this wouldn't have been too bad. And then the other one is another one of these packages, and this is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-Minute Hair Mask with Papaya Extract. And again, it says that it's a vegan formula. And let's see what it's supposed to do. It says it softens, smooths, and damages repair. It's supposed to soften, smooth, and repair damage, in other words. So that's what it does. So again, I don't know, maybe they might, I mean, again, like I guess what I don't like about it, I'm still like tongue-tying myself and contradicting. Like I wasn't too fond of it because the packagings were like all like this. And I don't know, maybe the product will work really well, but I don't know, I was just too thrilled about all these little packagings. It seems like I just got like really tiny samples. And then I got this Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready Strips. This is my least favorite for sure. The little wax strips, like you're able to use this in your face or your bikini area, but I don't know, I feel like I already use a Nair hair remover that I use for my lip and for my sideburn that, you know, you just apply and leave it on 5 minutes and you just wipe it off and it's all gone. So I'm like, well, why am I going to use the strips? I don't know. Maybe in my bikini area, guys? I don't know. So I guess maybe I could try them. It has coupon inside and it has 4 wax strips. So we'll see how this works, I guess. But this was my least favorite. I was like, really? And then you sending it to me when summer's almost over. So anyway, then I thought it was the last one, but it's not. So then this one, it's these Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. And it just says it's a gentle clean for hands and face. No harsh chemicals. It has 8 wet wipes. That's what it is. So I was like, I mean, I already carry wipes like crazy because I'm a mom and I have a toddler. So there's always wipes in my baby bag. So I was like, I guess what's the difference between having these? I wasn't too fond of these either. But I guess you can never have enough because you're always going to be using them anyway. So that's that. And then the last product that I got was this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Mask. This one I was okay to get just because, I mean, I do like face masks. But again, I need to start really like being serious about incorporating them in my daily routine just because I don't really. And I always say I am, but I forget to do so. So this is the Hydra Boost Hydrating Gel Mask, and it instantly quenches your skin, deeply hydrates, and it leaves your skin supple and hydrated. I did try this one once, and it was pretty good. I do like these face masks, and I really like them for the night. I feel like they really hydrate, and it just replenishes the skin overnight. So, I mean, this one wasn't too bad to get. So I was like, okay, this one's okay. It's actually like the full product. You get the mask here. But that pretty much concludes this Walmart summer beauty box. I don't know, maybe I'm like overreacting, and I was like, but I was really excited for it because it's summer. I thought I was gonna have more like funner products, but I don't know, I wasn't too fond of the products this time around. I feel like, from what I can remember, this is my least favorite box up to date, at least like from like most recent. I've had the subscription for about like maybe 4 years already, more or less, and this one I was just not satisfied. So, but anyway, I just wanted to quickly come on here. I just received the box and I don't want to leave it sitting there because then I take forever to film it, and then I don't film it, and then I'm going to have to wait till the next box, which will be till like the end of fall, maybe November. So, well, I even considered, I was like, you know what, I'm going to just cancel it. But I was like, it's only $5 and it's like every season, so I'm going to just leave it because I sometimes do find products that I end up loving and I keep repurchasing like the full size. So I'm going to just leave it, and we'll see how the fall one rolls around. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that jazz you guys know about. Don't forget to follow me also on my Instagram at Fashionista and the City _ where you will see all of my OOTDs, all this mom life, makeup, looks. You get to see my AJ there with his outfits. So yeah, definitely don't forget to follow me on there. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat. I will leave all of the names and the links and everything down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.